me today and let's unbox my new purchase. Today, I'm excited to share with you a new discovery that's perfect for those living in condos, dorms, or anyone with limited space at home. This is the Union Lab-O-Matic Mini Washer. The Union Lab-O-Matic Mini Washer has a 2 kilograms washing capacity, perfect for small spaces. It has a powerful pulsator that ensures effective washing. The Lab-O-Matic Mini Washer has a durable rust-proof body and is efficient in using water and energy, so you can save more with every wash. It's specially designed for small loads of adult clothes, so you don't have to worry about dirty laundry piling up. It's highly recommended for baby clothes, delicates, and even dirty rags for more hygienic washing. This is perfect for those of us with limited space. So if you're looking for a small but reliable washing machine, try the Union Lab-O-Matic Mini Washer.